So mean x bar is, add all these values, 9.8 plus 5.4 plus 3.7 plus 1.7 plus 1.8 plus 2.6 plus 2.8 plus 8.6 plus 10.5 plus 11.1. Divide this total by total number of values given. How many values are given? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divide this total by 10, number of values. So mean x bar is, add the values 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, plus 6, 26, plus 8, 34, plus 7, 41, 41 plus 7, 48, 48 plus 4, 52, 52 plus 8, 60, okay, 60, 0, then 6 is carried, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 3, 23 plus 1, 24, plus 125 plus 2, 27 plus 2, 29 plus 8, 37 plus 10, 47, 47 plus 11 is 58, 58, 58.0 divided by 10, 58.0 is same as 58, 58 divided by 10, there is no need to cancel, you have to put the decimal, move from right to left, and place the decimal after one digit, because 1 0 is there in the denominator. So x bar is 5.8. Yes, what is your answer? All of you got the answer? Yes. You have checked the calculation. Yes. What others are doing? You are doing the calculation or not? Same answer. Tally this answer. Summation is 58. 58 divided by 10 is 5.8. 58 divided by 10 is 5.8. So to find mean value, you have to add all the values and divide total by total number of values given. Then second part, find the mean value of summation x minus x bar. Find the mean values of summation x minus x bar. Okay. Now we want to find summation x minus x bar. X bar is mean value, no? To find summation x minus x bar. Let us see how to find. We make the column x, then x minus x bar, x and x minus x bar, x and x minus x bar, okay, x and x minus x bar. We make the table x minus x bar. What is x bar? We have already calculated 5.8. So this table becomes x minus 5.8. X bar is 5.8, no? So x minus 5.8. So first value of x is 9.8, 5.4, 3.7, then 1.7, 1.8, 2.6, 2.8, then 8.6, 10.5, 10.5, then 11.1. Okay. Let us find summation means addition of this second column. X minus x bar, you find, add all the values. You will get summation x minus x bar. So this is my column summation x minus x bar. Let us add all the values and see what it comes. First it is x minus 5.8. So replace x by 9.8. So 9.8 minus 5.8. What is the answer? 4. Answer is 4. Okay. Next value of x is 5.4. 5.4 minus 5.8. Yes, answer will be answer will be negative minus 0.4 because 5.8 is bigger number. Next is 3.7 minus 5.8. Again answer will be negative minus 2.1. Yes. Next 1.7 minus 5.8. Yes, you can directly write. I have to show the calculation. This is minus 4.1. Minus 4.1. Okay. Then 1.8 minus 5.8. Answer will be minus 4. Correct? Minus 4. Next 2.6 minus 5.8. Minus 3.2. Okay. Let us 2.8 minus 5.8. Answer is minus 3. Minus 3. Okay. Then 8.6 minus 5.8. Okay. 2.8. 2.8. Then 10.5 minus 5.8. 4.2. How much? 4.7. Yes. 4.7. Then last it is 11.1 minus 5.8. 5.3. Okay. Okay. So now we have to add this last value. We have to add this last value. Summation of this last column. Summation means add all the values and see what is the total. Okay. Now it is visible. Okay. Now it is visible. Okay. So add all the values of last column. Add all the values of last column. First you add the positive values. First you add the positive values. Then you add all the negative values and take the sign minus. That's all. So let us first add all the positive value. 4 plus 2, 6.8. 6.8 plus 4.7. 6.8 plus 4.7. That is 11.5. 11.5 plus 5.3. That is 16.8. These are the positive values. Let us add negative value. 0.4 plus 2.1, that is 2.5. 2.5 plus 4.1. 2.5 plus 4.1. No, not 7. 4.1, my dear. 0.4 plus 2.1. That is minus 2.5. 2.5 minus 4.1. We add minus 6.6. Minus 6.6 plus 4. Minus 10.6. Minus 10.6 minus 3.2. That is minus 13.8. Minus 13.8 minus 3. That is minus 16.8. So negative value sum is minus 16.8. Positive value sum is 16.8. So they will get cancelled. Answer will be 0. Yes or no? Answer will be 0. Yes. Answer will be 0. Positive number total is 16.8. Negative number total is minus 16.8. So you have to add them. Yes. When you will add them, answer will be 0. So summation x minus x bar. So after finding mean value x bar, you have to find the column of x minus x bar. Every time you have to keep the value of x. X bar is 5.8. Find this last column. Then add all the values, you will get summation x minus x bar. Summation x minus x bar is 0. Summation x minus x bar is 0. Okay. Then 7th, 8th, See which problem you have to do. 7th, 8th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 16th. They are omitted. Now only two problems you have to do, 9th and 15th. 7, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. Only 9 and 15 you have to do. Because in the reduced syllabus, it is simple calculation of mean and median. Now do 9th one, chalo. Do 9th one. If the mean of observation is given 11, okay, 9th one. Mean is given 11. Mean value is given 11. Then what are the observations? Observations are x, x plus 2, x plus 4, then x plus 6, x plus 6 and x plus 8. These are the observations. Mean value is given. It is asked find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find x. So we write the formula. Mean value is, formula is add all the values, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8, and divide this total by total number of values given. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But mean value is given to you, that is 11. So 11 is equal to x, 5x plus 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 20 divided by 5. Correct? Now cross multiply 5 to that side. So 11 into 5 is equal to 5x plus 20. Yes, there also you can. Yes, you can write. So 55 minus 20 is equal to 5x. Yes, you can do it that way. A plus B divided by C. So 35 is equal to 5x. So 35 divided by 5 is x. So the value of x is 7. Now second part, it is asked find the mean value of first three observations. Now after finding x, you find the first three observations. And after finding the first three observations, you have to find the mean value of that. You have to find the mean value of first three observations. So first you put the value of x. First, directly means you have to write down the first three observations are. You have to write down the first three observations are. First three observations are. First three observations are. Yes. Put the value of x. What is that? X. X plus 2 and x plus 4. These are the three observations. Now put the value of x. Put x is equal to 7. So observation will be 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. These are the first three observations. You have to find mean value. So mean value of first three observation will be 7 plus 9 plus 11. How many value observations? 3. Divide by 3. So mean value will be, yes, 27 divided by 3. Yes or no? 9 plus 7, 11. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 11, 27. 27 divided by 3. So mean value is 9. 27 divided by 3, 9. So you will write mean of first three observations. Yes, tell me. Yes, you can do in that way also, no problem. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 divided by 3. Then put the value of it. Yes. Mean of first three observations. Mean of first three observations is 9. Okay. And this is mean of 5 observations. Now do 15. Find x. Do 15. Find x. Then 15. Find x. find x. If 9 comma x comma 14, 9 comma x comma 14, comma 18 comma x comma x, 18 comma x comma x, comma 8 comma 10 and 4, 8 comma 10 and 4 have mean value 11, have mean value 11, mean is equal to 11. So find x. Find x. You have to find x. Okay. So we write mean is equal to sum of these observations, 9 plus x plus 14 plus 18 plus x plus x plus 8 plus 10 plus 4. Divide this total by total number of values given. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divide this by 9. But mean value is given to you 11. 11 is equal to, add like term, x, 3x. Plus 9 plus 14, 23, 23 plus 18, 41, 41 plus 8, 49, 49 plus 10, 59, 59 plus 4, 63. Divide by 9. So cross multiply. Yes, it will get cross multiplied. 11 into 9 is equal to 3x plus 63. So 99 minus 63 is equal to 3x. 9 minus 3 is 6. 36. 36 is equal to 3x. 36 divided by 3 is x. So finally the value of x is 12. Okay. The value of x is 12. So this type of calculations are there in mean. Including those type of problems are not there. So mean is same as average, and to find mean there is no need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. This you remember. Okay. Next period we will see how to calculate median. That will see in the next period. Bye everybody. Bye everybody.